Man, I think I brought this up on the last vlog. I just bring it up again. I went over my emails on the Twitch ban. I just go onto Outlook. I typed in Twitch ban. I saw that I got my reason for Twitch ban me was just revenge porn. That was it. Like revenge porn, sharing explicit images, revenge porn. Obviously about the Celestia thing. Just wanted to touch on that. Like, you know, this was something that I did in 2016, and it was like I sent her on her Instagram account.
We got him.
Fucking live stream fouls, love that fucking shit, bro. Grow score using nude pics as blackmail. No, not fucking blackmail, you dumb cunt. Public fucking nudes, yeah? Public, not fucking nudes you sent me. I don't know, fucking disgusting, dirty ass, fucking square ass, chin face nudes. Public nudes, you fucking moron. 453 upvotes. Grow score using nudes as blackmail. You're a fucking bunch of retards in this goddamn subsection Reddit. He's really a mentally unstable person. He's come to the realization that he's a nobody now that he was banned on Twitch, so he creates drama as any opportunity he can. Robin, you think I've been creating drama for the past 7 months? Oh boy, strap your fucking chin, bro. Strap your fucking chin, because we're going to town. We got to fucking town. You dumb cunt. Reddit, fucking life it does. Your subsection is shit. It's garbage. People out there thinking I'm blackmailing fucking people. Blackmail rainbow kids. You're all fucking dumb as fuck.